all to this second session of the fourth day of 2 weeks online interdisciplinary national refresher course on the quintessential educators, challenges and opportunities in the changing world. उत्कृष्ट शिक्षक बदलती दुनिया में चुनौतियां और अवसर. For this session, we have with us Professor Dr. Sanjay Srivastava, sir. I welcome you, sir, on behalf of IQAC, Atmaram Sanatan Dharm College, on behalf of and on my own behalf. Professor Dr. Sanjay Srivastava is the Managing Director, Manav Rachna Educational Institutions, Faridabad, Haryana, and Vice Chancellor, Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies. Sir is the member of UGC Institution of Eminence. He has a PhD in organizational culture from University of Delhi and is an expert in psychometric profiling and a trainer practitioner of transactional analysis and NLP. Professor Srivastava has many awards to his credit and has been a recipient of National Talent Scholarship in Education and the Young Scientist Award in Psychology 1994 by Indian Science Congress Association. Sir is one of the few who have been accorded with International Honorary Research Fellowship at Lahti University of Applied Sciences, Helsinki, Finland, a rare honor bestowed upon Sir by the Honorable Prime Minister of Finland in 2016. Sir, to his credit, has a book released in 2017 titled The Timeless Wisdom from Gita and Leadership, Gita का शाश्वत ज्ञान तथा नेतृत्व की कला. Dr. Srivastava has worked with Haryana Institute of Public Administration for many years and responsible for conducting programs for the civil servants of the cadre and conducting programs of Department of Personnel and Training, Government of India at various academics like LBS National Academy Mansoori and SB National Police Academy Hyderabad, National Academy of CBI and many more. Before joining Manav Rachna Educational Institution, Sir worked for 18 years with Amity University and has a teaching experience of over 18 out of 20 batches which have graduated from Amity Business School, a flagship institute of Amity University. He was working there as the professor of organization behavior. Sir has also worked at Amity University as the Dean, Examination and Faculty of Management Studies and Chairman Doctoral Program of Amity University, Uttar Pradesh. Under his guidance, 29 scholars have completed and submitted their PhD, and at present, 7 of them are pursuing their doctoral work. Sir has guided more than 350 dissertations, 450 summer internships and at postgraduate level, and many consulting assignments for the Government of India and for the governments abroad. Some of his classic consultating work includes Kudermukh Iron Ore Company Limited at Karnataka, Dubai Electricity and Water Authority, and Sharjah Transport, Falcon Group of Industries, and many more. Sir is the life member of International Psychoanalytic Society and National Academics of Psychology. During his distinguished career of over 2 decades in the academic community, Sir is known as a team builder and an acclaimed teacher, a prolific speaker, an avid researcher, a consultant, and an organizational coach. Besides this, Professor Srivastava has worked on many international assignments on various capacities, which include training, consultancy, etc. Today, Sir is here among us to share his views on the topic bettering leadership skills. I welcome you, Sir, once again to this program. And over to you, sir, for your words of wisdom. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Anjali ma'am, for your very kind and generous introduction. And I also find that I got this response that my brief profile has to go and my office has sent. And when you were reading all this, I was feeling a bit embarrassed and uncomfortable. And I am a teacher by heart, and what to say. thank you so much, Team ARSD, for inviting me, Vinita ma'am, Abid Saab, and all the members of IQAC, and all the participants. This is the first week, ma'am.
Yes, sir. This is the first week, sir. Today is the fourth day, sir.
First week, fourth day. So
Yes, sir.
I want some of the tips from you. It is more a dialogue or a monologue?
Sir, it is, sir, usually what we are following is that not to ensure that the resource person is not interrupted, we will open the chat box after half an hour, sir, or something like this, like after 1 hour, and the questions will be put up there by the participants. I'm there to coordinate, sir. I'll take up those questions, and if required, sir, हम speaker भी on कर देते participant.
And the conversation would be purely in English, or it will be a blend of both?
It can be bilingual, sir, because
Okay.
that is what is the main spirit.
Participants are comfortable in Hindi also?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, but
Okay.
since we have many participants from South also, so less of Hindi is what is being preferred.
Preferably less of Hindi, but those who are from Hindi, they also
Yes.
prefer to listen a speaker in Hindi. And
Yes.
whatever I speak in Hindi, and if you allow Sanskrit, I will also come back in English.
Definitely, that is equally welcome, sir, from our side. Thank you.
So I could see the number has reached 100 plus, and it is a good auspicious number to start with. Friends, the topic given to me is bettering leadership. And when we are talking about bettering leadership, leadership is a huge territory. And I assume that average teaching experience of the group would not be less than 15 years. Am I right, Anjali ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in these 15 years of your career as a teacher, if you divide your own career into 3 quartiles, quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3, the way you lived in quartile 1, full of comfort, full of clarity, full of space, and now you find in quartile 3 the comfort zone has shrunk drastically. Your space is encroached by many stakeholders, and many work given to you without much notice. I hope you agree with me.
Yes, sir, definitely.
Your yes gives me enough motivation, as if I am getting this yes from every 100%. Because when we start, if I talk about my 25 plus years of journey, the first quartile was very comfortable. I used to think morning, afternoon, and night about my classes, preparing for my classes, dreaming for my classes, delivering the work, and coming back. Now life has gone for a complete paradigm shift. And when we say complete paradigm shift, in my 80 minutes or so, I intend to talk say 45 minutes, and rest will be question answer if you have any, and whenever you permit, I'll go. So what I would say that when we talk about leadership, I am referring to 2 components. First, I as an individual, and second, my institution where I work. So I shall be talking to you on these 2 fronts, and it is purely your choice. I can either go with the university, your work first, and then you as second, or I can start with you as a person and then I can go to the work. And when I say, now your choice, tell me, किधर से चलना है, यूनिवर्सिटी से चलना है या पहले सेल्फ से चलना है?
सर सेल्फ से ही स्टार्ट करते हैं, आज तो सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन ज्यादा चाहिए सबको.
हाँ, बिल्कुल 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 बिल्कुल. You know, we are all teachers, and ma'am has just read that I also teach in some of the universities in Europe, and one of them is in Helsinki, Finland. And as a teacher, when I go to immigration and I show my passport, and simultaneously I also bring a visiting card, which I will show you, which is here. Which I'll show you. This is the card. When I go and show this card at immigration counter, the officer says, "Hello professor, welcome to our country. Sir, please." And you feel so elated, as you are the supreme in this world. When a teacher enters in the class, door closes, she or he becomes the chief commander for those 45, 50, 60, whatever time frame is given to us. We are the one. And we are carrying the supreme responsibility of transforming generations. And a question comes before us, which each one of us need to ask: am I justifying? If answer is yes, very much, sleep well. If you cannot answer this to your own self in front of the mirror, then do ask few difficult questions to yourself. See, when we were students, all of you will agree with me, knowledge was a closely held proprietorship of few individuals. I graduated, post-graduated, and all my first half of education from University of Delhi. I remember going to the library, standing in the queue, and by the time you reach to Ratan Tata Library, it says कि किताब खत्म हो गई अगले हफ्ते. And we could not afford, because knowledge was very expensive. I remember for our dissertation work, we have to stand in the computer center with a floppy, and when time is given to you, at that point in time, the floppy, when you inserted, it did not work, and say just get up and get out. दूसरे को chance दो, चलो उठो यहाँ से. When we share this to our students or to our children, they laugh at us that what nonsense are you talking? This paradigm shift I am talking. Friends, I am giving you few examples to set the context. In the year 2003, I used to teach a paper in Amity Business School. In the area, I used to teach a subject called Management Consultancy and Corporate Governance. And Rahul Bajaj was the chairman of CII in those days, and he prepared a complete document for Government of India about what should be the cardinal rules from CII recommendation side on corporate governance. So somehow it was 85 pages document. I was, with my immense connection, I could get a grab of that paper. And in the class I entered, postgraduate class, in the class I entered and I said, guys, there are 17 recommendations given by Mr. Rahul Bajaj CII report. I have shown, like, this is the recommendation report. I got a copy of it. And today I shall be talking to you about all those 17 recommendations. I was very happy inside as a professor कि आज 2.5 घंटे की क्लास इन 17 recommendation पे आराम से गुजरेगी. One of the guy gets up and says, sir, I already have these recommendations. I have given to all my batchmates also in the class. Sir, we want your critical commentary on certain recommendations, and I think that in today's class we should talk about critical discussions about what do's and don'ts they have recommended. I was not prepared. So we are talking about, in our first quartile, a set of students who were different, and in quartile 3 and the coming quartile they are going to be a very difficult one. And the second question, first question I have placed before you, am I justifying? My second important pertinent question to all of us, that as a teacher, as a faculty, am I a mere distributor of knowledge, or every quarter, annually I take a stock and I speak to myself that I am not a mere user of from the repository, I also add to the intellectual repository with my research work. I don't do blue sky research, I do some meaningful research and take my research to my class, and I am not a mere storyteller, giving last year's jokes, again repeating the same joke this year. I am again sharing the same example with you of corporate governance. In year 2005, in the first class, I have said to students that, friends, I shall be teaching to you organizational behavior. And one of the guys says, yes sir, we have a complete floppy with us, in which whatever slides you have shown in last 4 years and whatever narratives you have discussed in the class, we have everything in the slide, in this files floppy, sir. Sir, this year we want you to take us beyond books. How will you feel as a teacher? Am I a mere user of from intellectual repository and come to the class and distribute that knowledge, or I give something fresh, something different which they do not know, not available on the Google, which is my contribution as a teacher. If you are making those genuine effort, believe you me, you will always be valued and respected as a teacher. The day you think that you are a mere distributor, retailer, or a wholesaler of knowledge, and you are packaging it well in your own English or in your own language, your days are limited as a faculty and you will not be respected. Wait for any day when you will be insulted by your students. They will write a very difficult posts, because now social media is in their hand, and whatever they don't like, they prefer to speak out. And as a teacher, it is very difficult for us to take those critical comments. So, to sum it up, as a teacher, do I ask to myself that, Sanjay Shrivastava, in last 100 days, what is your contribution for research? What new you have added to repository? Because all of you will agree that our students, many of them, they speak better, they use better language than us. And they are well versed with many things. They don't come to our class for our linguistic skills. They come to the class with a different hope, different expectation. And it is our responsibility to take them beyond Rubicon, what we say, the river of expectation. If you are doing so, you will be respected as a teacher, as a leader, and you will become immortal. Your students will always die for you, they always love you and respect you. So in this workshop, I am trying to make a humble effort to give you some ready-made capsules which are highly tangible in nature, which makes you a complete professional. Though all of you are, do not misunderstand me, with all humility at my command. As a teacher, I am just giving you my peace of mind to my fellow teachers. So, friends, when we talk about professionalism, because when we say bettering leadership, to me, certain attributes stand very tall and they are the key differentiator, and one of them is your own self. Knowledge is one part. All of you know that the ask principle of life, which is applicable to every teacher in every class, ASK, where knowledge is tertiary, skill sets are secondary, and attitude is primary. So whatever knowledge you possess, whatever intellectual capacity you have, capabilities you have, argumentative skills you have, but if you do not know how to carry your own self and get connected with your students, you will be out of the business. Because now the national education policy talks about exit policy. Anytime if as a university, as a college, as a faculty, you are not of my choice, I will write a long English and I say I quit because of person A, B, C, D. Where will you go? पहले तो डर था कि 3 साल तो मेरे पास ही रहेगा ना बॉस, 4 साल तो मेरे पास ही रहेगा. In these years I will set you right. Either I'll put you upside down on my own ceiling fan, or I'll take you and hang you in banana tree or a neem tree. Up to sir, they are the supreme commanders. They are the king. If you add value, they will value you. Otherwise, they will simply give you a difficult smile and they take a walk. Those who have taught in American universities or UK universities, Canadian universities, I have the privilege of teaching there, and you will be amazed to know the best set of students you will get in our country. They are listening to us very well. वहाँ पे आप पढ़ाओ, if you are not making much sense as per them, वो that guy will pick up the earphone और गाना सुनता रहेगा आपके right under your nose. Or you will find a girl is just started painting her nails in front of you right under your nose, and you can't say that shut up, don't do this. Or somebody will say, excuse me professor, you are not making much sense to me, I am going out for a coffee, do you want coffee? Ours are far more disciplined. So friend, what I am trying to talk to you here, that I am give you some of my work which I started in year 2006, published in American Psychologist. Exploring Indian Mindset is the title of the paper. If you want, you can get a copy of it. Exploring Indian Mindset is the title of the paper, and I am talking to you about the paper. And this research talks about what makes a leader extraordinary. What are those traits which I need to imbibe, which I need to practice and make it a part of my existence. So, in my first talk to you about bettering leadership, all of you as a leader, and when I say leader, I strongly recommend, since it is the whole conversation is recording is available to each one of you. You know, there is a book called The Idea of a University, written by John Henry Newman in the year 1852. Wherever, friends, you find some time, read the hard copy, soft copy. Now knowledge is available in plenty, available any and everywhere. Read the book. And it talks about the quintessential message. This is the topic, and I give you the quintessential message that university soul, I go very slow, university soul lies in the mark it leaves on students. I repeat what I have said. John Henry Newman gave a quintessential message to all of us as a teacher, that university soul lies in the mark it leaves on students. And it is our responsibility as a teacher to ask a question to ourselves: am I making a conscious effort for my students so that they are getting a mark from us as a teacher? And in that context, I have referred to ask, attitude, skills, and knowledge. And if you sum them up, it becomes a teacher. And this also takes us to the first attribute called professionalism. How professional we are in our approach, and how different we are in our approach. When we say professional, there are many criticism also to the word professionalism. I am not going into the debate of professionalism, but I am an ardent follower of Lord of Shri and Srimad Bhagavad Gita. If you go back to Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5,000 years back, Lord of Shri said, I quote for you, व्यवसायित्मिका एकह बुद्धि कुरुनंदना. व्यवसायित्मिका, जिसको हिंदी आती है कि व्यवसायी से वर्ड है, जिस व्यक्ति की जीवन, जिस व्यक्ति की रोजी रोटी, जिसकी व्यवसाय जो है वो व्यवसाय से चलता हो, जी व्यवसायित्मिका एकह बुद्धि कुरुनंदना. बहुशाखा ही अनंत बुद्धि अव्यवसायी नाम. I come back to you in English. Vyavasayitmika eka buddhi kurunandana. Those who are professional, they are laserly gifted with a focused sense of purpose. Those who are professional, they are gifted with laserly focused with a laserly sense of purpose, and they teach their students where you have to go, otherwise it doesn't matter where you go. And they know vyavasayitmika eka buddhi kurunandana bahusakha hi buddhi avyavasayinam, chapter 2 verse 47 for you, giving you reference precisely also. Read it. You can get as many explanation as you want, but my responsibility to be a professional before you and teach to my students the very first lessons of professionalism, where knowledge is tertiary, skill sets are secondary, and attitude is primary. I tell you, there are certain disciplines where skill set and knowledge, they go hand in hand. In my university, we have state of art dental college, Manav Rachna Dental College. It's NAC A grade, and from past 15 years it is doing wonderfully well. So I did myself a lot of faculty development workshop for my own dental professors. We have 120 faculty colleagues in the dentistry area itself. And I have seen that there was a huge mismatch between expectation of students and faculty delivery. I am taking you to the live example. And what I have seen that dentistry, and as you progress to second year, third year, the gap is going further up, because when you are teaching, imparting that knowledge, skill set takes the first role and knowledge becomes secondary. If you go back to Bloom's dictionary, perhaps you can relate what I am talking to you much more. So skill takes a primary role and knowledge becomes secondary. Or let me give you a very simple example. If you are teaching somebody at home, or your own child, those who have taught to their children in good old years, write A. Now when you say A, you have a definite length of the two lines, और आपका बच्चे ने एक लंबा कर दिया, एक छोटा कर दिया. Then you say, no baby, both the lines have to be by and large together. उसने जो बीच वाला बनाया उसको इधर से लेके उधर तक बना दिया. आपने बोला बेटे दूसरा बनाओ, तीसरा बनाओ, चौथा बनाओ. पांचवें पर फिर उसने वही पहले वाली गलती करी, 1 to 5 सेम. एंड हियर यू गिव ए गुड पीस ऑफ स्माइल. समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या बोल रहा हूं तुझे? बेवकूफ है क्या? और यू आर टीचिंग समबडी हाउ टू डू चॉपिंग ऑफ द वेजिटेबल. किचन में कढ़ाई में तेल कितना डालना है? थोड़ा सा डालना. What you say थोड़ा सा डालना, that person has a different vocab, different understanding, comprehension, and that person puts as per him or her, and you start bubbling, jumping. Why? You are talking about skill set. And henceforth, when those, if you go to the medical colleges, and I am fortunate to conduct many faculty development workshop there, and to dental college, when your professor say, when working with the patient, look at me, and the professor says this, looking at the patient, and he says this or she says this, if you do not know what I want in my hand, you may get a tight slap on your face, or you get a shouting, now next time don't stand next to me, okay, just get out, you are such a duffer. Why? You are teaching a skill set. When we are imparting a skill set, our wire becomes thinner. When we are teaching knowledge set, we ask a question to ourselves कि अगर ये बात दूसरी को समझ नहीं आई है तो शायद मेरी भी कुछ गलती होगी. पर स्किल वाले में हम ये मानते ही नहीं कि तुम्हें दिख नहीं रहा, तुम्हें समझ नहीं आ रहा. You are not getting me, you are not understanding me, you are not comprehending me. We don't able to digest or believe this. So friends, self takes the primary role, and those teachers who are the serious leaders from within, they are known for eternity. So year 2009, I come back to the same point. I published this work and studied some of the top 200 leaders of Fortune companies, and we have, through factor analysis, those who know research methods, principal component method of hoteling, and we got very high factor loadings. We identified those factors and identified and converted them into attributes. I am presenting those 9 attributes to you as a teacher, which are present in you, but I am making a conscious attempt to make those 9 attributes go deep in your bones and become part of your existence. all great leaders, great teachers, they are known great learners. First attribute we have identified for leadership is learning. And when I say learning, you all know not less than me, rather more than me, that experience is a bad teacher. It gives its test first and learning afterwards. Make as many mistakes as you can, but don't repeat the same mistake. Make it a part of your life and say this to your own students. And if you are taking a note of your learning of the week, learning of the month, and learning of the year, your own very personal diary, believe you me, in coming 4-5 years, you are going to be a completely transformed person. Making mistakes is not a crime. You know Jack Welch, what he used to say, that in past 1 year, give me a list of mistakes you have made for the organization, otherwise you have not contributed. What is my learning? My second L to you, is all great teachers, they laugh. Anjali ma'am, very happy to see you smiling. You will find a small window of a smile on all great teachers' face, and they are full of life and laughter. You will never find a great teacher with a constipated look. You will always find them, they are moving with life, enjoying, dancing, singing, full of humor, full of happiness, full of life. अगर गंदा सा मुंह लेके जाओगे, दुखी होके जाओगे, तो कैसे बच्चों को एनर्जेटिक कर पाओगे सर? Whether you are at work or wherever you are, make a point to laugh. Many yoga practitioners, they also talk about laughter therapy. But to me, friends, laughter is the natural fuel God has given to us. And I given you a sutra, a mantra here, that if somebody makes you feel bad, mad and sad, if somebody makes you feel bad, mad and sad, don't correct that person. Because a set of people in our life, in everybody's life, their full-time job is to make us mad, to make us sad, to feel us bad. उनकी इच्छा रहती है कि अगर आप अच्छा कपड़ा पहने हो तो भी बोलेंगे कि आपको कैसे कष्ट दिया जाए. हाउ टू पिंच यू सो दैट यू स्टार्ट जंपिंग लाइक ए मंकी. फुल टाइम काम होता है. उनसे पूछो कि जी ये कैसा लगा, मैंने जो ये अपना ये रखा है रुमाल, बोले चादर का बनवाया है ये या खिड़की के कपड़ों का है. पर्पस इज व्हाट? टू टेक अवे योर हैप्पीनेस. फ्रेंड्स, I appeal to you all. As a teacher, you are the prime custodian of your own happiness. Because when you enter in the class, right now I can see 133 of you are here. If I am not adding value to you, I am wasting your supreme time. The point, sir and ma'ams, I am talking to you, that you do not give this power to anybody to take away your happiness. Because when you enter in the class, you cannot say कि guys, girls, I have a bad mood today. कहीं हमें नकल मार के तो पढ़ाना नहीं है सर. कि कहीं लिखा हुआ है उसको हम पढ़ा रहे हैं आपको. And I am sure majority of you speak out from your heart. And if your mood is spoiled, will you justify? Will you add value to your students? Will you rise in your eyes? You are the best judge. So friends, don't give this power to anybody to take away your happiness. However, 3 verticals of life, 1, 2, 3 verticals of life are permitted to take away our happiness. Only 3, 1, 2, 3. First, our own roots. Kitna, how much entitled? 25%. One is 25%, that too at a time. And who are entitled to take away our happiness? First is our own parents, our roots. They have given birth to us and they are entitled to take away our happiness. Kitna? 25%. Second, vertical. The most fascinating vertical of our life, though number is given 25%, but in real life it appears bigger. Our own spouse. They are the second one who are entitled to take away our happiness. कितना? 25%. बट मैंने कहा वन एट ए टाइम, दरवाजा एक ही बार में एक ही खोलना है. सो पेरेंट्स, स्पाउस. हमारे जेंडर वाले कहते हैं कि बॉस हमारा वाला तो बहुत बड़ा लगता है, 25 तो आप कहते हो, गलत है ये. पर कहानी घर घर की. And last 25, which has become a huge agenda before many of us, our own children. They are entitled to take away our happiness. But friends, there is no fourth person on this earth who are entitled to take away our happiness. If somebody is taking your happiness, then it is not wise on your part. Because you need to correct yourself. You do not supposed to give your remote control to anybody as far as happiness is concerned, because you are a teacher. जब आप क्लास में जाते हो तो आप 60, 70, 80, 100 जिंदगियों के साथ आपको ट्रांसफॉर्म करना है. आप आम व्यक्ति हो ही नहीं. यू कैनॉट स्पॉइल योर मूड बिकॉज ऑफ सम जोकर इन योर लाइफ. एंड दैट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो what I have said, nobody should be entitled to take away your happiness. And ये मेरे कहने से तो होगा नहीं. Wherever you are working, your boss calls you before the class and gives you a good shouting. That why the hell you are smiling? Do I look like a joker? Who am I? What did I say to you? AC बंद कर दो और एक मुझे ग्रीन टी पिलाओ. And your mood is off. गुस्सा करो, लेकिन पहले तो कहीं जाके कोने में हंस के आओ अच्छे से. लाफ इट आउट एंड थैंक गॉड दैट यू आर नॉट लाइक दिस पर्सन. और बोलो कि आई विल टेक अप दिस एजेंडा आफ्टर 5 hours. Sirs and madams, I request you all, it is nothing but the mental makeup. There are certain days in the week, certain days in the month or the year when those guys who are committed to themselves, they do not eat X type of food or X type of drink. बहुत सारे लोग हैं जिन्होंने बता रखा कि भाई रात 9 बजे के बाद कुछ खाना नहीं खाएंगे. बहुत लोग हैं जो नॉनवेज खाते हैं लेकिन बता देते हैं कि ABCD डेज नहीं नॉनवेज खाते. क्या है ये? आज का दिन मेरा व्रत है. व्हाट इज दिस व्रत यार? नथिंग बट ए कमिटमेंट टू सेल्फ कि आज मुझे कुछ भी दे दो कि नहीं खाऊंगा. When you can do a commitment for small petty things, material things, why can't you commit something for your own mental makeup? कि बॉस कुछ भी हो जाए मेरा ये काम नहीं करना. Those who worked with me, they know. I am giving you my own secret. I sit on a administrative chair. I have two responsibilities which you have heard from Anjali ma'am. And come what may, I do not lose my temper under any circumstances whatsoever before 3 p.m. आप मुझे आगे कितना ही इरिटेट कर दो, कुछ भी कर दो, यू कम एंड स्लैप मी, आई विल गिव यू स्माइल इन रिटर्न. And I will do the needful after 3 p.m. And if I have to set somebody, some faculties because of certain reasons, I preferably do it on Friday 4 o'clock, and my office gives a message that sir has invited you for a cup of coffee at 4 o'clock. The world knows कि अच्छा कॉफ़ी होगी है. ऐसा बूस्टर इंजेक्शन लगेगा आपको कि फ्राइडे शाम को भी हाथ में दर्द रहेगा, सैटरडे भी बुखार आएगा. But do not lose your temper on somebody's call. Lose your cool temper at your own sweet will. Learn to respond in life, not to react in life. तभी टीचिंग हो ही पाएगी. अभी मैं बिफोर दिस सेशन, Q1, I came from one meeting and I said to my office कि I want this, इसके लिए ना मेरे ऑफिस में वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग अरेंज कर दो. So my IT team says to my secretariat कि सर को बोलो कि we require at least 1 hour notice for setting up video conferencing. कैसा लगा सुन के? गुस्सा होगा कि नहीं होगा कि 1 घंटे तुम्हें यार वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग सेट करने में लगेगा? पर मैं गुस्सा नहीं हुआ. 3 बजे से पहले का समय था ना. अगर 4:30 बजे सेशन होता तो सबको लाइन से अपसाइड डाउन कर देता. कम बैक टू बिजनेस. सेकेंड एट्रीब्यूट आई हैव गिवन, लाफ. फर्स्ट एट्रीब्यूट आई हैव गिवन विथ ऑल द लीडर्स, लर्न. सेकेंड इज लाफ. एंड ऑल 9 of them are designed around L. Third L is looking. When I say looking, 2 persons looked out from the same window. One saw the mud, another saw the stars. It is purely our choice how we prepare our own eyes and mental makeup to look for positive things. आप जहाँ भी काम कर रहे हो, आपकी बहुत सारी लिमिटेशंस भी हो सकती हैं जिससे मैं अच्छे से वाकिफ़ हूँ. मुझे गवर्नमेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ और कॉलेजेस की भी लिमिटेशन पता है, मुझे प्राइवेट यूनिवर्सिटीज़ और कॉलेज की लिमिटेशन पता है, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन टू बोथ द साइड्स. पर ये प्रीशियस जीवन दूसरे की इस कमियों से रोते रोते तो नहीं बिताएंगे यार. ये तो हमें तय करना है कि भगवान ने जो प्रीशियस जीवन दिया है इसको बदल के कुछ करना है. और जब तक चेहरे पर वो हंसी नहीं होगी, स्माइल नहीं होगी, लाफ्टर नहीं होगा, और वो देखने की नज़र की दवा है पर नज़रिए की नहीं है. आबिद साहब जरूर इस बात से सहमत होंगे कि नज़र की दवा है, नज़रिए की नहीं है. नज़रिए का कोई इलाज ही नहीं है. और उर्दू पोइट्री में कहा गया, एक नुक्ते ने खुदा को जुदा कर दिया, हम वफा करते रहे वो दगा समझते रहे. We need to have a system where we need to talk about how to see things in life.
हेलो.
जरा आके फ़ोन ले जाओ मेरा. So how to see things. in life. Okay. शशि को बोलो कि मैं एक मीटिंग में अभी हूँ और 3:15 पे बात करेंगे. ठीक है, ले जाओ, हाँ ले जाओ, इसको भी हटा दो यहाँ से. हाँ ठीक है. So friends, the third attribute I have completed looking. The fourth attribute is lasting impression. All great leaders, great teachers, they live their life on daily basis. This meeting with you may not come back again to me in my whole life. This is our first and last meeting. Am I making a conscious effort to reach out to you and to make my point reach to you? जो बात मैं कहना चाह रहा था, क्या वो आप तक मैंने अपनी भाषा से सक्षमता से पहुंचाई? अगर ऐसा किया तो मेरी बात बन गई. लास्टिंग इंप्रेशन. All great leaders, great teachers, they make a conscious effort to live for the day and live for the class, and they take their class as every day like a one-day match. They don't go on past laurels. They go in the class with the present context and deliver and come back. Fifth is love. And this love, I say, is more passion in life. This love is not the physical love I am referring to. I am referring to passion. As a teacher, how you ignite that madness in your students. कलाम साहब इसको अलग ढंग से कहते थे. How you ignite that fire in your girls and boys in the class, that is the true test of a teacher. हिंदी या उर्दू में बोलें इसको तो शौक की दीवानगी. बहुत बढ़िया शेर है. शौक की दीवानगी तय कर गई कितने मकाम. शौक की दीवानगी तय कर गई कितने मकाम. अक्ल जिस मंजिल में थी अब तक उसी में है. Friends, we do not grow intellectually after a certain number of years. Whatever level it has reached, जिस मंजिल पे पहुंचती वहीं पे रह जाती है. आपने 50 माले का घर बना लिया और आपकी अकल अगर चौथे माले पे पहुंची तो चौथे पे रह जाएगी, 50 पे नहीं पहुंचेगी. But if you have a hobby, if you have a madness which you pursued like a passion, you are going to make difference in this world. That passion I am talking about. Every teacher's responsibility has to ignite that passion in us. After 5 L's, first L I have said learning, love, looking, lasting impression and love. I take a break of 2 minutes to ask the feedback from Anjali ma'am that this monologue is difficult monologue. Are we on the right track or do we have some question for the chat?
Sir,
Over to you, ma'am.
yes, sir, definitely, sir. We have just opened the chat box, sir, and coming up with questions also. A chat has come from Krishna Kumar Jha, sir, कि बहुत ही बहुमूल्य संदेश सर ने दिया है. प्रभावी शिक्षक के गुण और शिक्षण संकेत. बहुत बहुत आभार. और भी क्वेश्चंस भी आते हैं सर. Inviting questions also from the participants. And
What
sir,
the-
definitely it is not a monologue because by smiles and reactions, I am completely endorsing whatever you are saying. I don't want to interrupt. But definitely, sir. In a way, I think you are speaking the heart of every teacher who has gone through these phases, right from student life till this point of time when we are there in a different situation. Yeah. So, sir, coming up with more questions, I'll just interrupt you, sir, wherever
Sure,
required.
for sure. My session has to close at 3 o'clock.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. now, now the now the next four attributes which I shall be talking to you, the the first five which I talked to you, learning, laugh, looking, lasting impression, and love, they are all five intrinsic qualities of a great teacher to a great leader. Highly intrinsic, जो आपको पता होती है. The next four which I shall be talking before you are, फर्स्ट वन इज दैट इज एक्सट्रिंसिक इन नेचर. ये पांच पहली वाली इंट्रिंसिक थी, ये चार आगे वाली एक्सट्रिंसिक हैं. फर्स्ट वन इज लिवरेज. all great teachers they are always very well connected with their students. They make a conscious effort to remember their names. जो भी एक अच्छा प्रभावी शिक्षक होता है उसको ये पता होता है कि हर शिक्षार्थी और शिक्षा और पद्धति में बहुत अंतर होता है. सबका सीखने का तरीका बहुत अलग होता है और सभी की सोच बहुत अलग होती है, और वो ये बात बड़े प्रभावी ढंग से उस तक पहुंचाता है, बहुत ही प्रभावी ढंग से पहुंचाता है. और अगर मैं ये कहूँ कि एक और कॉन्सेप्ट है विच आई इंट्रोड्यूस हियर विथ लिवरेज इज पिग्मेलियन इफेक्ट. पिग्मेलियन इफेक्ट आप लोगों ने सुना होगा. इन nutshell it talks about power of expectations. Power of expectations. This, and if you go back to Google, it will answer you also that Pygmalion was a sculpturist, and he was a sculpturist and used to carve statues, and one of his finest work that he carved a statue of a woman, and that statue was so beautiful that he fallen in love with that statue. And as the mythology goes further, people say that statue has come to life. Power of expectation. We have movie in Bollywood, पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा. And we have many more songs. Power of expectation. The same teacher, you will agree, same teacher, all of us, we produce topper of the class and we produce failure of the class. When it is a failure, we say इसको top बनाया मैंने बनाया है. When it comes to failure, we say पढ़ते ही नहीं है बेईमान, दिल ही नहीं लगता है इसका. और टॉपर किसने बनाया? मैंने. सर, सुखे दुखे समय कृत्वा लाभा लाभो जया जय ततो युद्धाय युष्वन एवं पापम वापसैसी. सुख और दुख दोनों के साथी हो आप, जय पराजय दोनों के साथी हो. आप शिक्षक हो, आप नहीं भाग सकते. आप नहीं कह सकते कि नहीं पढ़ता ही नहीं था. टॉपर पढ़ता था क्योंकि आपने पढ़ाया. All great teachers, they know that every child at higher education, it is more applicable to school, and when I talk to my school teachers, I emphasize more on this. But I urge to each one of you to become conscious with this fact that you have enormous power in your eyes and your words to kill somebody or to become a superstar, to make somebody a superstar in your class. आपकी आंखों और शब्दों में वो ताकत है कि आप एक अच्छे चलते हुए इंसान को मार गिराने में सक्षम हैं. आपकी आंखों में वो ड्रोन लगा हुआ है. और आपकी भाषा में वो प्रवीणता है कि आप किसी भी अच्छे व्यक्ति को मार डालेंगे, किसी भी अच्छे स्टूडेंट को मार डालेंगे। और आपकी भाषा की वो प्रवीणता है कि एक ऑर्डिनरी, एक साधारण छात्रा या छात्र को आप सुपरस्टार बना देंगे। लेकिन अपना विवेक बहुत ध्यान से यूज करिएगा, स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर hitting somebody. I know many people in my life in the university, because of certain top end satires of the teacher in the class, they have left the university and college and they are nowhere. I know certain students who have hanged themselves because of the mere satire which she could not take from past 1.5 years. सुसाइड नोट में लिखा था। कईयों ने यूनिवर्सिटी और कॉलेजेस छोड़ दिए क्योंकि आपका जो ब्रह्मास्त्र था वो इतना पावरफुल था कि दैट पर्सन कुड नॉट डाइजेस्ट। फ्रेंड्स, we are academic parents to our students. We are academic parents to our students. An academic parent is carrying bigger responsibility than the biological parent. हमारे एक सोसाइटी में गैप आया है जिसको हम सभी को देखने की भी ज़रूरत है कि श्रीमद् भगवद गीता में भगवान ने 4थे अध्याय में कहा है कि श्रद्धावान लभ्यते ज्ञानम। जब तक ज्ञान में श्रद्धा नहीं होगी तब तक वो ज्ञान आपको फलेगा ही नहीं। अगर हम अपने घर में अपने बच्चों के सामने उनके शिक्षकों का उपहास करते हैं और अगर हम उनको इज्जत नहीं देते, आपको याद होगा बहुत सारे, many of you will agree with me that good old days I was given a tight slap on my face when I was in grade 4th by my teacher. I reached home and I said this to my family. I got another tight slap that why you were hit. कुछ जरूर ऐसा किया होगा जो गलत होगा। What is happening today? We ask, instigate our child कि बताओ बताओ क्या बोला था, चलो स्कूल चलो। Because you think within heart of your heart, consciously to unconsciously, that I pay salary of your teacher, and the day you are living with this myth and misconception that I pay for your teacher, pay to your teacher's salary, take it from me friends, your child will never grow. Shraddhavan labhyate jnanam, don't doubt this. Now, moving to the next L is 240. Now my next L is listening. One of our important responsibility is to make sure that we produce top class listeners in the class. और वो कैसे होगा संभव? जब आप वो स्किल्स खुद ही डिस्प्ले करेंगे क्लास में. Because when you are there in the class, if you are there in the complete, what I would say, with the complete heart and soul, you are going to make difference. Undoubtedly. इसमें कोई शक शुबा नहीं है. I hope listening when I say I am talking about management of mouth. That if as a teacher I do not have the art and I do not prepare myself how to speak, I will not make much difference. Second, 8th L, जैसे मैं जो बात कहना चाहता था, ऐसी वाणी बोलिए मन का आपा खोए। अब हम वाकई ऐसी वाणी बोलते हैं कि जो बंदा शांत होकर बैठा है उसका भी आपा खो जाए। हम इतने स्मार्ट, इतने डिफिकल्ट हो गए हैं। जब तक भाषा की मधुरता नहीं है तब तक तो आपकी बात पहुंचेगी ही नहीं। My eighth attribute to you is likability. Again, a very powerful tool in the hand of a teacher. There are certain teachers, you will all agree, and you will also put in that category your own self, that there are certain people in our life, whenever they meet with you, you feel like gossiping with them forever. कुछ लोग जीवन में ऐसे होते हैं कि जब उनसे आप बात करें तो आपका बात करते 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 मन भरता ही नहीं है, because they enhance our comfort zone. Teacher has a knack of enhancing comfort zone of their own student, and teacher has another art of taking away the complete comfort zone of their student. डबल एज स्वॉर्ड है ये। ऐसा टीचर के पास वो नैक है, ऐसा अनकंफर्टेबल सवाल पूछेगा, ऐसा अनकंफर्टेबल सवाल पूछेगा कि वो बच्चा तिलमिला के परेशान हो जाएगा। अच्छा, इस बार फेल नहीं हुए क्या तुम? पास हो गए? चलो देखो कब तक होते हो। What I am trying to convey, friends, likability is another powerful tool in the hands of a teacher. It is our responsibility, collective responsibility, to enhance the comfort zone. And a question which I need to answer to myself, that do I continuously nurture talent? If answer is yes, you will be respected forever. And last L, leader. It ends with the word leader. Each one of us, each one of you, you have the art, you have the charisma, you have the power, you have tricks of the trade to convert a ordinary stone to a god. तुम ही क्या, तुम ही जैसे कई और, जिसे हमने तराशा खुदा करके रख दिया। If you get a good teacher, that teacher will transform you from an ordinary stone to a god. जितने लोग बड़े हुए हैं, they don't ever forget their teachers. I am sure through this workshop you will transcend yourself from this orbit to next orbit. If you practice these 9 attributes, it will immensely give you lots of value. 2:45.
Yes, sir.
Open for questions if you have any.
Sir, already the chat box is full with compliments for your lecture, and I'll just take up the questions that are there.
जी,
One question is from गोपाल सर। उनका क्वेश्चन है, आपने कहा कि नजर की दवा है, नजरिए की नहीं। सर, मेरी जिज्ञासा यह है कि कई बार शिक्षक अपनी व्यक्तिगत परेशानी की वजह से टीचिंग में अपना सर्वश्रेष्ठ नहीं दे पाते। उस समय क्लासरूम में विद्यार्थियों के बीच हंसी खुशी का माहौल प्रदान करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? इसी तरह से इसी से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन सर एक डॉक्टर संजय का भी है। सर जी, मुझे एक सवाल बार बार सताता है कि जब कक्षा में अध्यापक पढ़ाने के लिए आते हैं तब वह अपने घर की समस्या अगर छात्रों के सामने पढ़ाते समय दिखाते हैं तो ये सही है या गलत? घर का टेंशन कभी कभी छात्रों पर निकलता है, यह अच्छे अध्यापक के लिए गलत है या सही?
सर,
So two questions, sir, in
सर,
one.
I have already answered to you.
Yeah.
Lord of Shri has said in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, professionalism. अगर मैं आपको 1:30 से अपने दुख और दर्द की दास्तान सुनाता हुआ 3 बजा दूं, तो आप मुझे कभी माफ़ नहीं करेंगे। आप हमेशा ये कहेंगे कि इस व्यक्ति ने अपना होमवर्क नहीं किया था, इसने हमारा समय ख़राब किया। और अंजलि मैडम और तमाम IQAC के तमाम सहयोगी अध्यापकगण, ऐसे व्यक्ति को हमेशा ऐसे प्रोग्रामों से दूर रखा जाए। मैंने आपसे कहा मेंटल मेकअप। अगर आप मेंटल मेकअप करके नहीं जाओगे तो आपको वो ख्याल परेशान करेंगे और आप बहुत बड़ी जिम्मेदारी लेके जा रहे हो। आप एक हवाई जहाज चला रहे हो जिसमें इतने लोग बैठे हुए हैं। आप ये नहीं कह सकते कि मैं भूल गया कि क्या कर रहा हूं, मैं मारे जाएंगे लोग। So we should not supposed to mix up our boundaries. और मुंह पर मुस्कान होनी, मैंने कहा, बहुत ज़रूरी है। जब तक आपके चेहरे पर प्रसन्नता नहीं होगी तब तक आप अपना काम नहीं अच्छे से कर पाओगे सर। ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। मैम, और कोई सवाल?
Yes, sir. There is question by Shanti Bhushan, sir. However great motivational or inspirational speech one makes, great leaders or students are born or self-made. That is, they cannot be made. What is your response, sir?
I do not debate or question power of genomics. I do not debate at all. But leaders are made in the classrooms. And this is a defined research. If you go back to the books, I come from the School of Management. So if you go to the Michigan State University research, Ohio State University research, and you go to all these, or Harvard School Center for Leadership, all these schools are testimony that leaders are made in the lab of the class. स्टूडेंट्स अगर ट्रांसफॉर्म नहीं किए जाते तो शिक्षा की ज़रूरत ही नहीं थी। और अगर आप देखोगे कि शिक्षा में जो ये ह्रास हुआ है, शिक्षा का पतन हुआ है, उसका कारण क्या है? क्योंकि कुछ एडहॉकिज्म चला गया क्लास में, और एडहॉकिज्म बर्दाश्त हो गया, लेकिन अब नहीं होगा।
Sir, there is another question. Thank you, sir, by Abhishek Gaur, sir. Sir, how the e-learning tools can be more effective in teaching to the students? Should there be an interactive classroom in the universities for this purpose?
See, undoubtedly, e-learning is a paradigm shift in our life. मैं भी यहाँ पर बैठ के आपसे बात करता हुआ अपने आप को बहुत बेबस पा रहा हूँ, बहुत मजबूर पा रहा हूँ। वो तो अंजलि मैम का चेहरा नहीं दिखता तो ऐसे बोलना और भी कठिन होता। कुछ लोग आ रहे थे, कुछ लोग चले जा रहे थे। बट टीचर्स के लिए मोनिका मैम को आई कैन सी नाउ। सो टीचर्स के लिए जब तक लोग ना दिखें तब तक मज़ा ही नहीं आता है, क्योंकि टीचर, व्हेन यू गो टू द क्लास, टीचिंग इज़ प्योर केमिस्ट्री। जब बच्चों की आंखें में चमक आती है, जब बच्चे बात करने लगते हैं, बच्चे आप पे सीटी बजा देते हैं, तो इस क्या होता है? लॉट ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शंस हैपन इन द क्लास। दैट मोटिवेट और डीमोटिवेट ए टीचर। और ई लर्निंग में तो पता ही नहीं आ रहा है। यू आर ईटिंग ए टॉफी विथ रैपर्स ऑन एंड यू आर आस्किंग कि मजा आया टॉफी खा के। तो ई लर्निंग में कष्ट तो है ही है, क्योंकि हम लोग तो चाहते हैं कि यार लोग मुझे दिखें, सवाल पूछें और खुशी खुशी से बातचीत हो, क्योंकि हम लोग तो इंडियंस तो वी आर वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ पीपल। ये हमारे सिस्टम का हिस्सा है। हमारे घर में कोई फंक्शन होता है हम सबको बुला लेते हैं, जाओ 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 जाओ। वाई? दैट रिन्यूअल, सोशल रिन्यूअल गिव्स अस एनर्जी।
सर उसी के कंटिन्यूएशन में कृष्ण कुमार झा सर पूछ रहे हैं कि शिक्षा को क्लासरूम तक ही सीमित किया जाए या उसको बाहर ले जाने की आवश्यकता है।
मैं
और
अच्छा नहीं, उसके ऊपर वाला जो सतीश साल्वे साहब का जो सवाल था वो मैं पढ़ने लगा।
जी सर, और संजीव साल्वे सर कह रहे हैं कि कभी
सर
कभी
मैं पढ़ लिया मैम दोनों सवाल।
जी सर,
ठीक है।
बच्चे
देखो
नहीं
सर,
सुनना चाहते।
देखो ऑल द टीचर्स टू यू, देखो व्हेन आई से लीडरशिप, आई एम आंसरिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू इन लास्ट फ्यू कंक्लूडिंग मिनट्स।
यस सर।
To me, leadership is all about examination. Do not misunderstand that once you are sitting or standing on the other side of the class, it's done. No way. Leaders are always subjected to multiple exams and they pay a huge price for the leadership. Leadership is not easy. अगर वो आपकी बात सतीश साहब जो कह रहे हो नहीं सुनना चाहते हैं, इसका मतलब कि आपने जो पिछले क्लासेस पढ़ाई हैं उसमें आपका प्रयास वो नहीं रहा जो होना चाहिए। मुझे आज तक ऐसा शिक्षक नहीं मिला कि जो बहुत ही मेहनत करके और क्लास के बाद टेक स्टूडेंट्स बियॉन्ड द क्लासरूम और उसी क्लास अनअटेंडेड हो। आई एम सॉरी। When you are 100% with your students and you make a conscious effort to take your student beyond books and add and enrich your students, for sure they will never move an inch. And every leader, you are a teacher, you are a leader, every leader has to pay a price. People respect Lord Rama as a leader. He paid a price of 14 years of exile. 14 साल का वनवास गए थे। आप आ जाओ, prophet is a leader. Abid Saab will agree with me, and many of you will agree with me, that his sons were stoned to death. Jesus proposed a philosophy, leadership. He was crucified. Buddha proposed a philosophy. The bigger part of the world chants Buddha. But you know all, he was severely criticized by his own wife. मैथिली शरण गुप्त wrote about it. सखी वे मुझसे कह के जाते, सिद्धि हेतु स्वामी गए ये गौरव की बात, पर चोरी चोरी गए यही बड़ा व्याघात। मुझको बहुत उन्होंने माना फिर भी क्या पूरा पहचाना, छात्र धर्म के नाते सखी वे मुझसे कह के जाते। गुरु गोविंद सिंह, if you talk about all the Sikh gurus, all the 10 gurus, the amount of sacrifice they have made, mind blowing yaar, mind blowing. And let me conclude. Lord Krishna, लीडर्स गिव एग्जामिनेशन, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू कन्वे। आपको हर समय एग्जाम देना पड़ेगा। लॉर्ड अप टू चैप्टर 10, दोज हु फॉलो श्रीमद् भगवद गीता, अप टू चैप्टर 10 10वें अध्याय तक बात चलती रही। 11वें अध्याय पर अर्जुन ने भगवान से कहा कि जो आप कहते हो इसको मैं सच मानता हूं, पर जो आप कह रहे हो, क्या ये संभव है कि मैं देख सकूं जो आप बोल रहे हो? टेस्ट हो गया लीडर का. Whatever so far you have said, I take it as a truth. But is it possible from my naked eye to see what you are talking? और चैप्टर 11 भगवान जो आप कहते हैं इसको मैं सच मानता हूं, पर क्या आपके द्वारा ये वर्णित सारी बातें मेरे द्वारा देखने में शक हैं, ऐसा आप मानते हैं तो अपने उस विस्तार रूप का मुझे दर्शन कराइए. And 11th chapter is, as you all know, that Vishwarup Darshan Yoga. And till that verse, Arjun was not sure that what he is talking is truth or not. 11वें अध्याय के उस श्लोक तक अर्जुन श्योर नहीं था. सब बातें करता था, आई टेक इट एज, मे, यू मे बी राइट, ऐसी बातें मानता हूं, पर सच है कि नहीं मान रहा हूं. जब देखा तब माना. क्या देखा? त्वमादि देव पुरुष पुराण तमस्त विश्वस्य परम निदानम वेत्तासि वेत्तम च परम च धामम त्वयाततम विश्वनंत रूप. वायुर्यमोग्नि वरुण शशांक प्रजापतिस्त्वं प्रपितामहश्च नमो नमस्तेस्तु सहस्त्रकृत्वा पुनश्च भूयोपि नमो नमस्ते नमो नमस्ते नमो नमस्ते. As a leader, you will be respected when your students are convinced that you are the supreme commander, and what you have given to me, nobody can ever offer to me. मानेगा वो आपको, आपकी बात बिल्कुल सुनेगा, और क्लासरूम के बियॉन्ड भी कहेगा, सर चला मुझे और बताओ, बिल्कुल कहेगा. लेकिन आपको वो साधना और तपस्या करनी पड़ेगी. इन ढेर सारी बातों के साथ मैं आप सभी का हृदय से आभार और धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करता हूं, और परमात्मा से प्रार्थना करता हूं कि आप सभी स्वस्थ रहें और आपका परिवार स्वस्थ रहे, अपने विद्यालय, विश्वविद्यालय, महाविद्यालय का नाम रोशन करें, अपने देश के लिए आप अपने नए छात्रों की एक पीढ़ी तैयार करें, ऐसी मेरी भगवान से, श्री हरि से प्रार्थना है. बहुत बहुत आभार, धन्यवाद, जय हिंद.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for such a interactive session that it is there. एक question था, sir, but I think that is something a regional problem that we will forego. In no way अभी हम कुछ ज़्यादा suggest कर पाएंगे उन्हें, but all others are compliments, sir, that are there.
काम पर जाते हैं, कभी कभी आते हैं तो सुनना पड़ता है, पढ़ना उन्हें अच्छा नहीं लगता. मैं मुंबई के नज़दीक के महाविद्यालय में कार्यरत हूँ. ये सतीश साहब आपने जो लिखा है ना, एक्चुअली क्या है कि ये बदलाव आने वाला है, जीवन में बदलाव आएगा, क्योंकि मैंने बताया कि लगभग 20 वर्षों से शिक्षा का एक ऐसा दौर आया जब लोगों ने अपने स्टूडेंट्स के लिए वो कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं किया जो करना चाहिए. उससे हमारी छवि धूमिल हुई, और उसका इम्पैक्ट सबको बियर करना पड़ेगा. जब भी किसी भी समाज में किसी भी वर्ग का शोषण होता है तो उसकी भरपाई सबको करनी होती है. अच्छे रहो चाहे बुरे रहो, करना तो पड़ेगा. शिक्षा को जो सम्मान मिलना चाहिए था वो सम्मान नहीं दिया गया. और मैं तो आपको एक एग्जाम्पल दूं जरूर. मैंने अपनी ज़िंदगी में बहुत सारी पीएचडी कराई, जो नंबर आपने अंजलि मैम से सुना, और मैंने बहुत सारी पीएचडी थीसिस इवेलुएट की, लेकिन मैंने आज तक किसी भी थीसिस इवेलुएशन का एक भी पैसा नहीं लिया ऑन रेडियम. इसलिए नहीं कि मैं कोई धनी हूँ, मैंने इसलिए नहीं लिया क्योंकि जब मैंने इवेलुएशन शुरू की थी तो थीसिस इवेलुएशन का 97-98 में 400 रुपये मिलता था. और मुझे इस बात का बड़ा दुख लगता था कि यार 250 पेज पढ़ो और 400 रुपये मिलेगा. दैट इज़ ए सीरियस इंसल्ट टू मी. मुझे अपने आप में इतना मुझे वो आता था कि यार 400 रुपये मिल रहा है, बस 250 पेज पढ़ के उसको 3 पेज में कन्वर्ट करने का. ना 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 ना, मुझे नहीं चाहिए. मैंने तो कहा कि दो इफ़ आई एक्सेप्ट दिस जॉब टू इवेलुएट ए थीसिस, आई विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट एनीथिंग. दैट विल बी डन फ्रॉम माई साइड. है प्रोटेस्ट करने का तरीका. मैम, done from my side. Over to you.
Thank you, sir, for such an interactive session, sir. a lot of compliments coming your way in the chat box, as you can also read. Your session on bettering leadership skills was very thought-provoking, sir. We are thankful to you for sharing your academic life experiences while sharing your views on the topic. In your dialect, sir, summarize the different phases through which we as teachers have undergone in last 2 to 3 decades. Sir, you have inspired us to deliver to the students knowledge beyond their expectations. Sir, in his session, highlighted traits we as teachers, leaders must try to imbibe in ourselves to be more effective teachers. I personally could connect to all your respected tips, sir, which makes us all quintessential educators. In today's scenario where we have still expecting another wave of pandemic, your tips to keep ourselves happiness intact is really worth exercising. And so you got compliments also for that, also that happiness needs to be kept intact. Sir, your talk was very inspirational to keep in place our own mental makeup by by developing the attributes enlisted by you in your dialect. Sir, we agree with you that teacher is truly in a fiduciary position to make or break a learner to a great extent. And we as teacher must realize this responsibility at all times and keep our actions in place so that we are not in any way causing any damage to the learners and being always remembered as good teachers wherever our students go. Thank you, sir, for such an inspirational talk. Thank you so much, sir, for agreeing to be the resource person for a session. Thank you, sir. Thank you on behalf of Dr. Vinita Tulli and my other organizing team members, and definitely on behalf of IQAC Atmaram Sanatan Dharm College, on behalf of Professor Gyantosh Kumar Jha, sir, and all else. Thank you, sir. Thank you
ज्ञान
so much.
साहब को भी मेरा मेरा सादर प्रणाम कहता हूँ और सारी टीम को
Sir,
नमस्कार
he's
कहता
there
हूँ.
in the meeting, listening to you definitely.
For
Like,
sure.
thanks, he
Convey
does.
my gratitude to them.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay,
With
bye-bye.
we come to the end of this session. We meet again for the next session at 3:30. Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.